welcome back to my channel. The subscriber of the week is Brooke Maitland. Woo! Woo! Okay, and I know that I already gave you guys a farm tour, but things have changed, so we're gonna get a new one. Okay, what do I do? We emptied out this calf barn, and now there's sheep in it. Here, I'll show you. Come on. There. I'll show you the next part. Entrance it. There's a nice setup right here, and then you go over here, and there's calves everywhere. We used to have water bowls. They're right there now. We took them out, covered them up right here, and then now we just give them water in pails and see buckets over there. And some with these big pails, some with these big pails, and yeah. I have some in the hutches, but now they're healthy and eating great, so yeah. You may be wondering where all the heifers went, but I'll show you. Well, here's where all the heifers went. Over here. Okay. We have heifers all the way off milk, all the way into this part. That's pretty crazy. They're dry cows now. That's pretty crazy. Like, I mean, they all fit in this big barn. Small barn. Oh. I gave you guys an update that happened, so don't forget to subscribe and like. Kdog out. See you in the next one.